Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use commands on Minecraft to go in and out. Commands only work if cheats are enabled, so here's how. Go to your settings, then Games tab. Scroll down and toggle allow cheats to on. Just note that turning this on will disable achievements in that world. Now, open the chat window by pressing the T button and type a slash before the command, for example /timesetday. Then press enter or send to execute. If the command is wrong, you'll get an error message. Only you can see it. Also, there are some shortcuts that you can use, like the up arrow key, which repeats your last command, no need to retype, and tab autofills coordinates or player names when needed, and @p, @a, @b is the nearest player, @a is all players, @r is random player, @e is all entities, and @s is yourself, which you can use to tag people in the server. Now, once you're comfortable typing commands manually, you can take things further, like using command blocks for automated systems, write scripts or data packs to create custom worlds, and add commands to a server console for advanced control. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.